Person on your mind? Think about the person on your mind. Isip ka ng isang tao, namimissing, nostalgic, Six of Cups. Namimiss ka ng taong to? Collective? Person on your mind. Queen of Wands. Fire sign or water sign? Both of you, namimiss nyo ang each other. Merong regret dito. Both of you are regretful. Both of you are missing each other. Person on your mind. Ano man yan sa'yo.